Smart water management is about connecting people through digital data. Data flows all the way from consumers in local villages to operators of distribution networks in Gram Panchayats, water schemes in PHED districts to management at the headquarter of PHED at each level, that is, the household, water management center, water supply scheme, water treatment plant, and the command and control center. Data are collected. This data is shared for analyses and further shared for monitoring, decision-making and automatic control of pumps and valves. The overall performance is monitored at the Command and Control Center at PHED's headquarters in Kolkata. Information technology has already been in use for years in the water sector. Many apps have been added to the PHED web portal by many vendors. The Web Geographic Information System or Web GIS app gives information about all major water schemes in the state, showing the layout, number of reservoirs, tanks, intakes, etc. Smart water management adds one extra layer to this Web GIS by also showing live data, that is real-time data of how much water is flowing and water quality. The Web GIS in the Command and Control Center will collect these real-time data from each water scheme, which has a SCADA system. These SCADA will also collect data from the Gram Panchayats which that particular water scheme serves. The Command and Control Center will not collect all data, but only the key data sufficient for the central management. Each water supply scheme is illustrated in the Monitoring Information System or MIS in the Web GIS. The MIS user can choose to see the inflow to selected overhead tanks and how it has varied over the last few days. Any outage is spotted. There are around 3,000 piped water supply schemes throughout West Bengal. Gradually over time, real-time flow data can be collected from every larger water scheme having a SCADA system where data are being collected locally. The administrator at the Command and Control Center has a guideline on how to connect new schemes. Updated real-time data gives an excellent overview to decision-makers and planners, so focus to be directed towards top priorities, such as certain districts or blocks which are suffering water shortage, upgrade of aging water schemes, identification of schemes with extraordinary high operation cost or high leakages, etc. The operator in the local water scheme and the administrator in the Command and Control Center at the PHED headquarters will exchange information about the internet address where the data is to be shared. The key data from the local SCADA will then be shared and the performance will be compared with other schemes.